अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे बच्चों, ये वीडियो रीड टू मी ऐप जो हुकूमत की जानिब से तलबा और असातिज़ा के लिए बनाया गया है। आज ये वीडियो रीड टू मी की मदद से बनाया जा रहा है ताकि क्लास में पढ़ने वाले बच्चे ठीक तरीके से पढ़ना सीख जाएं। इसलिए तमाम बच्चे खामोशी के साथ, ध्यान और तवज्जो के साथ इस वीडियो को देखें।
Unit 1 1.1 Bounce a ball. A. Listen, sing, and act. Bounce a ball to Rina. Bounce a ball to Rina. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to Veena. Bounce it to Veena. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to Sagar. Bounce it to Sagar. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. Bounce it to teacher. Bounce it to teacher. Oh, no, I missed it. Oh, no, I missed it. B. Replace the word bounce with the words given in the boxes and sing again. Roll, hit, throw, kick. See, look, and say. Ball, bounce, got it. Teacher, yes to no. One point two. Activity time. Say, please listen carefully and act only when I say. Please, please sit down. Please stand up, turn around. Please hop on one leg, hop on two legs,